Alright, so I'm sharing the love a little bit here. My good friend Daryl Abney has created this tutorial on how to make a Medibot. So he modeled this Medibot and he made a tutorial, and it goes into hours of how he did every part of it in Maya. So it's showing you how to get the edge loops right, and how to use holding edges, and how to create these mechanical parts, and how to make it all look really great. Now, Daryl has worked at ILM. He's worked on Star Wars movies, Aquaman. This guy is a veteran of the industry. He knows what he's talking about. So I highly recommend going and buying his tutorial on how to make this. It'll really help ramp up your skills with 3D modeling in Maya. Now, I know you can learn a lot of stuff for free on YouTube, but it's always great to support real independent artists who really know what they're talking about and have put a lot of effort into creating tutorials like this. So please click on the link in the description to purchase his tutorial through Gumroad. Now when you buy through this link, I do get a little cut of the profits, so please buy through this link and help me out as well. So we're helping each other out here a little bit, and I hope you enjoy. Please click on the link, please watch the video, and happy modeling.